In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise exponents in Microsoft Word. Exponents are used in mathematics, science, and engineering to indicate that a number or variable is to be raised to a certain power, and Word provides simple ways to format them correctly in your documents. To begin, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want to type the exponent. Start by typing the base number or variable normally. Once you've entered the base, highlight the character or number you want to turn into an exponent. Then, go to the Home tab and look for the superscript button, which appears as an X with a small raised number. Click this button and the selected text will automatically move slightly above the baseline, appearing as a raised exponent. You can then continue typing the rest of your equation or sentence. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut for quicker formatting. After typing the base, press Ctrl, Shift, and plus on Windows or Command, Shift, and plus on Mac. This shortcut toggles the selected text into superscript, making it a raised exponent instantly. To return to normal text, press the shortcut again. Another method is to use Word's equation feature, which is especially useful if you're writing complex mathematical formulas. Go to the Insert tab, click on Equation, and in the equation editor, type your base followed by the caret symbol, caret, and the exponent. For example, typing x caret 2 will automatically format the 2 as an exponent when you press the spacebar. This method ensures consistency and works well for larger equations. You can also manually adjust the font size and position for exponents if needed, but using the superscript feature or the equation editor is the easiest and most professional way to display exponents correctly in Word. This ensures your document looks clean and follows standard mathematical formatting. And that's it. You now know how to raise exponents in Microsoft Word using the superscript button, keyboard shortcuts, and the equation feature. These techniques make it easy to include mathematical expressions in any document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.